we've got to break this silicone seal now. Hopefully, yeah, silicone's all down the back. Why? Was every bathroom fit? I think that they've got bob silicone absolutely everywhere, just everywhere. Welcome back. I feel like I'm ranting and moaning again on the same subject. Silicone in bathrooms. Have I got a point on this one? Let me know. So, customers phoned us up that want a new toilet and a new vanity unit. There's just no room in this one. It's too small. So we're going to change it around. But as I start taking it out, the use of silicone is ridiculous. Now, have I got a point? Or am I moaning too much? Because I do feel like I rant and moan about silicone way too much. But let me know your opinions in the comments. As always, thank you very much for support. I really, really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed already, please hit subscribing. It really helped me out. Any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. Like the video. Yeah, let's take a look at this week's work. So we've got to take out this basin unit and the toilet. As you can see at the moment, it's not very practical. This is way too bulky. That comes off the wall. You've only got this little area here to work in. So I'm going to take that out, put a normal toilet in, take this out, put a smaller unit in, and we have got to be careful because the customer wants to keep these in. It's not very old at all, so yeah, we've got to be careful when we take them out. So first thing to do is make sure nobody needs toilet, because this is the only toilet on site. And get the water off and start ripping these out. And my only concern is the waste. The waste is quite far off the wall, so we have got a swan neck. I'll call them swan necks, but they're basically space saving waste connections. So we've got one of them. Hopefully that'll make it so the toilet goes right back against the wall. But we'll see. We'll see. First thing we do is take them doors off because they're just getting in the way. But yeah, look at that. Yeah. That has completely gone in. I don't know that I've been flying out. It's absolutely soaking this in. It's a little bit damp on top, but not that much. So let's get the water off. And there should be two fixings holding this. Yeah, it's one there, just there, one there. Disconnect the flexies, take the waste off. And I'm just going to break the silicone seal, and that should just come out. So I've got them off. Nice and loose. Yeah, waste is disconnected, coal's out. I just realised they've butchered the back of the unit to get them through, so I'm going to have to turn the water off to get that out. We've got to break this silicone seal now. Hopefully, yeah, silicone's all down the back, so I'm just going to get my Stanley knife, run it through there and see if it will come away without damaging the tiles. Alright, so I've been scraping the silicone out of it. It goes all the way down the back. I did get one of these. It's like PVC cutter, cheese cutter, whatever you want to call it. Obviously I could get it all the way down the back, so I'm using my multi-tool, get it down there. I thought, why is this sticking so much? I've realised to put a screw right in the middle. Just right up there, where I can't get to it, behind the sink. And I don't know what I've used to stick this down, but I can't get this off either. So what I'm going to try and do is just wiggle it, see if I can loosen that screw and hopefully get it out like that. Oh, I got it. Oh, I got it. Right, screws out. To be honest with you, I don't think it's going to survive. All the wood swollen at the back. Oh dear. Yeah, all the wood there is all swollen and yeah, I don't think it's going to be worth saving. Yeah, it ain't never really back in right, is he? Yeah, we've lost the back piece, but we found a new shower head and a cartridge attachment for the customer. Happy days. Yeah, that will just slide out now. Basin all out. We'll tie this up in a minute once we've got the toilet out. So just going to disconnect it from there as well. Two screws on this, one there and one there. Just disconnect them, break the silicone around here, then that should pull forward and we can get it out. Got the toilet out, let's get these in. Wet back the toilet out, I forgot. Went absolutely everywhere. Never mind. Got to flush the toilet. So So yeah, I've just isolated the water, someone spoofed it, so I've got a bucket there. Hopefully I can catch the water. Try and get it on camera. There we go. That should be empty, ready to come out now. Just undo that connection, then that'll lift off once you've disconnected the push button there. There's 2 screws in there. I don't think that comes off. I can't see no screws behind the drawer or in the cupboard. However, this is rock solid. It ain't going anywhere. You know why? Because there's a bomb loud silicone behind there. Was every bathroom fit? I think that they've got bob silicone absolutely everywhere. Just everywhere. You don't need that. What do you need there for? Ain't going nowhere. So yeah, let's break the silicone off and get it out. Right, it's come out. Happy days. Look at it. Why? Just that's the back of the cupboard. I'm just sitting into the wall. Why? It ain't gonna go nowhere. So sad the unit's near enough balls because that's been leaking all over. It's right at the bottom. That's stuck to the wall. I'll give up. I'll do. Bathroom fitters are watching this. Stop using silicone so much. Alright, I think what I'm going to do now is have a sweep up, tidy up, get all this clean. It's a clean work environment, nice tidy work environment. I feel a lot better. Alright, so tidied up. I've got the swan neck in the space saver. I'll show you to that, but who wants to see down inside the poo pipe? So yeah, just take the old one out, put the new one in, done. So I've got to get the silicone off the wall. I did buy this, it's a window scraper. I'll tell you what, that is cutting through that. I think that was £2.50 from Screwfix. What a bargain. So yeah, I'm just going to scrape the big bits off. I'll spray that with multi-solve. Then I can scrape all this residue off because if you look, it's still on there. You feel it, but get the big bits off, bit of multi-solve, and that'll all come off. Then I'm going to get the toilet in place and see where we line up. So I've got rid of that old bit of plastic, new toilets in. Let's see. Hopefully it'll go all the way back now. So, it's just too short. I can't get it on camera, but it's like millimetres too short. Okay. Swapped it for a flexi. I was going to try the system on top just to see how far away we have to do. What we're about to do is get a pan extender, but it's right in to there. See, it's like a double pan connector now. There's nothing else we can use. A flexi will give it. But that's got it against the wall now. So what I'm going to do now is mark around the toilet here, mark around it there, and we're going to get these fixed to the floor. Right, so then bolted in there, bolted in, they're not going nowhere. All going now is put the pan in and screw it up. So I've got connection ready there for the cold. So yeah, just give that a bit of a wipe up and get that slotted in place. Right, install it all in, screw it in. Happy days. Don't wash her in. Now this rack here that the customers bought, all pre-built. All pre-built, so all I've got to do is put that onto there. But I have made sure that all these are tight and they come loose in transit. That's the flexible connector that I've put on. Feed through the back and then connect onto the coals, and that should be the toilet fitted. Right, this toilet's all in. I've screwed it to the wall. That's one thing I forgot to mention. Marked, got them in. Water's back on. Isolation valve just there. Let's see what happens with the toilet. It weirdly just overflowed and now it stopped. Felt as if the siphon was passing, but it stopped. Flushing. Big flush. Flush not very good. Not very good flush, but there's no leaks. That's good. Happy days. So that's the toilet all in. Get the toilet seat on in a bit. Clean up the walls here. Yeah. Let's open that room up. Look at the space you got there. Right, it's fitting the toilet seat. It comes with a lot of these wall plugs. Just push them in there. And these go on with the screw. Tighten that in. Then we're just going to put the toilet seat in and see where we want it. And we can tighten that down. That should be the toilet seat all fitted. One thing we don't guarantee on any of our workmanship is toilet seats coming loose. These are a nightmare for it. Leave the instructions with the customer and tell them how to do it, because yeah, you have a bit of a wiggle on there and they always come loose. But we do show the customer how to do it if they need to. So yeah, let's get that in. Yeah. Let the customer use the toilet if they need to, because I've been in here now for a few hours, so, or I'm always self-conscious that this is the only toilet in the house. If they need the toilet, then I need to get up and running. So we've got them where we want it now, and then you put these foam covers on, make sure they're nice and tight in your toilet seat. So just pop on, there we go. To get it off, just press that button and lift it up. That's the toilet seat, all lined up, all fitted. Actually, come over to the left a bit. Yeah, it's got to come over this way a little bit. Okay, we'll just take that back off, adjust it slightly, and that'll be that done. Moving on to the wash hand basin now. You see, it's a lot smaller. I have pre-drilled the hole. I am moving along a little bit with this one, but we just put it against the wall here, marked where this was coming, measured that. It's 45mm, cut some out with the jigsaw, but look what's made out of. Ain't normal wood, is it? It's plastic, it's all plastic. Rot proof, apparently this one is. Cost the customer about £400 just for the unit, but apparently it will not rot. So I've got the hole through for the waste, but as you can see, won't get back because of them hot and colds. I'm thinking of getting that hep off and sweating in some elbows, then bringing them up. Then through somewhere here maybe. Yeah, I think I'm gonna look at doing that, I think. So yeah, let's get this back out of the way. I've got to get the foot off. I've got the foot off that one. I've got to move it along a little bit to there, because the foot was right on the end. Yeah, let's sort these hot and colds out. Tools for the hot and cold. I can't find my key, so I'm just thinking like an olive splitter. Just cut the ebbing off. Oh, get water everywhere. I should be able to. There we go. Just get it off now. I have damaged that bit of point there, but I've got to cut it down anyway. I just wanted to get this off. There we go. Give that a wiggle. Yeah, do the same for that side and just get them off. So I've sweated 2 elves down there, 2 elves up here. Gonna come out just below the waist, but I can hear that was a nightmare. So I got a nightmare. I've had the wet back and everything, there's still water coming out. The mains is definitely off, but I can hear that was probably a full valve solder before I started. It just would not go. We got it in the end now. So yeah, just cap them off. I'm going to turn the water back on, test my joints, make sure there's no leaks. Then we can look again. The unit back to the wall. Water's back on, looking good. Then we need to find out where we want these are. So what you can do, if you've got like a permanent marker or felt tip, pencil works okay. It's the only thing I've got on me. What you can do is actually colour that in, right? Loads of lead on there. Same with that one. Loads of lead on there. Then push your unit against there, and it'll give you exactly where you want them holes. So I'll just get your unit, line that hole with your waist. Yeah, push. Give that a wiggle. Give that a wiggle. There you go. See now, where you want our holes. Go, head through. Listen, you go. There's 1, 2. Stopping you going back. There we go. Yeah, come on, just a little bit, yeah. Brilliant, okay. Right. Oh crap, I put the feet on the bottom. I've got to take that back out now. Okay, so we are through into the cupboard with the hot and cold. I've put some brackets on. It didn't come with brackets, there's nothing to fix it against the wall. But that's all fixed. Waste is ready to go. I might have to extend that. More than likely gonna have to extend that. But yeah, we can fit the basin now. So what we're gonna do, put the trap and everything onto the basin, get that put in on here. Right, so we've got the tap in for the waste. Alright, the washers that come with it, like that kind of crap. Right away. We use these. Yeah, they were selling before, Dudley basin waste kit. These are really good. You'll see the difference in the washer, let me show you. That's the washer that come with it, the white one. That's the Dudley basin. Look at that. Big fat down washer. So what you do is put your down washer on there. Obviously taking a fall out. And you put your collar on, then your nut. And that'll guarantee no leaks. Really good these on. I'll show you what it looks like when it's in. There we go. Look how much that's compressed in now. You can see why you don't get leaks on these. That is fully down there. So yeah, that is ready to go. Basin all prepped. Let's get him in. So I'll put some silicone around your edge and I'm just going to sit the basin on top of there now. Okay, that should be straight onto there. Gosh. Gosh. There we go. Make sure he's lined up yet. I see. What you want to do is get the gaps either side level because there will be an overhang on each side, but there we go. That's all in. Sort the weights and the hot cold out. Right, there we go. So we finished off under there. So we have had to put it on some kicks coming out. Yeah, you see the waist there. It's supposed to be that when the waist is right there. I don't know. It's had to go right at the back of the unit anyway. I mean, other than that, yeah, I don't know how else you could do that other than having it inside the unit there. Anyway, hot and cold's all in. Everything's on. Everything works. Gonna get some silicone now. Seal up down here. That's it. Should be job done. There we go. That's it all done. New vanity unit. Just so we can get it off now. More silicone. I had the best of silicone to be honest with you. I really am, but I've just got a smoothing tool. Smoothed it all out. That's all in. Checked under there. No leaks. I don't know where this shelf is, but I don't know. It's supposed to be a shelf with that, but I've checked it all. No leaks on that. That gives the customer a lot more space now. I mean, look at that. Compared to what we had earlier. Yeah, that's a lot better. Unfortunate about the holes in the floor there, but not a lot we can do. Yeah, the toilet being all the way back against the wall. Happy days. That is a very slow closing seat. It'll close eventually. But yeah, that's it. That's the one all boxed off. Just give it the wipe down now. Yeah, job done. I'm not trying to start a war on bathroom fitters. I'm really not. I just, I don't see the point in that much silicone. I really don't. The toilet unit, where was it going to go? Where was it going? They need that much silicone, and yeah, caking it down the back of the sink as well. I know it's got a hold in place, but yeah, I just don't agree with it. But we got the job done, so I'd like to know your opinions in the comments on the silicone issue. Am I moaning too much, or have I got a point? As always, thank you very much for your support. I really, really appreciate it. Catch you on the next one.